come back again with learning Thai with Tuk today, and today I would like to teach you another word in Thai. So in front of the camera now, I hold a perfume. 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 Perfume in English, but in Thai we say น้ำหอม 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 So one more time together with me. Perfume is น้ำหอม in Thai น้ำหอม น้ำหอม So this one, I wear the perfume today. I wear the perfume today. ฉันใส่น้ำหอม or ฉันฉีดน้ำหอมวันนี้ I wear the perfume today. I like the scent of this perfume. ฉันชอบกลิ่นของน้ำหอมชนิดนี้ I like the scent of perfume. I ฉัน like ชอบ the scent กลิ่น of the perfume ของน้ำหอม I like the scent of the perfume. So one more time together with me very quick. Perfume in English. In Thai we say น้ำหอม น้ำหอม น้ำหอม. I hope you will not get confused and like to practice more about the word. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.